Hey, this is Lindsay from Fit and Fabulous, and today I'm gonna show you how to make 3 super delicious smoothie bowl recipes. So these smoothie bowls are super delicious. They are full of like good healthy protein, they're full of good healthy fat, as well as good healthy carbs and tons of fiber, which is really important when you're trying to eat healthy and when you're trying to lose weight. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Lindsay, and this is my YouTube channel. It is Fit and Fabulous, and I make videos like this every single Thursday. So I make videos on weight loss, I do delicious recipes, I do fun reviews, I do lots of really fun stuff on this channel. So be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the notifications so you guys never miss a video like this in the future. If you guys already subscribed to my channel, I totally want to give you guys a big, full, like virtual hug and just say thank you so much. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you so much, and let's get started on our smoothie bowl. So let's get started. The first smoothie we are gonna make is the purple antioxidant smoothie bowl. So the first thing we are gonna need for our smoothie bowl is frozen riced cauliflower. Now you guys might think that I'm crazy, but I love putting frozen cauliflower into my smoothie bowl because it totally adds lots of really good fiber into it. It makes the smoothie not quite as sweet, so it's just not like pure sugar. And of course, it just makes it that much thicker. So it makes like the perfect smoothie bowl. So we're gonna be adding 1 cup of frozen riced cauliflower into our smoothie bowl. Next, we are gonna be using a superfruit blend. So this has sweet cherries, blueberries, and blackberries. So this is the perfect like antioxidant mix. I like to use this blend because it gives it like that really rich like purple color, and it just tastes really good in the smoothie bowl. So we are gonna be using 1 cup of this superfruit blend. Next, we're gonna use a half of a frozen banana. So I just basically chopped up the banana, put it in the freezer, and just gonna throw it into my smoothie. Next, we're gonna be using protein. So this is LadyBoss Lean. So this is vanilla cake flavored protein. I love using this protein. It is grass-fed whey, it is gluten-free, and it honestly, it tastes delicious. It's only 100 calories. And it's got all kinds of like vitamins and minerals, and it's just really good for you. So that's why I like to use LadyBoss Lean for most of my recipes. So we're just gonna be using 1 scoop of LadyBoss Lean for this recipe. Next, we are gonna be using some unsweetened vanilla almond milk. Now you can basically use any sort of milk that you use on a regular basis, but I do like to prefer to use the almond milk. So when you are making a smoothie bowl, you just wanna make sure that you don't use too much liquid or else it's gonna be too liquidy. So in this recipe, I only use 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. And then you wanna put the lid on and you wanna put that on the blender. And now for our toppings. So on the smoothie bowl, we are gonna be adding some raspberries, some banana, and some hemp hearts. Hemp hearts are really good. They have some really good healthy fat for you. So I just like to kind of sprinkle a few like on the top. So you can basically design the top of your smoothie bowl however you like. It's all about like making it look pretty. Now this smoothie has 298 calories without the toppings. It has a whopping 22 grams of protein. It has 47 grams of carbs, 10 grams of fiber, which is amazing, and it has 4 grams of fat. So this is like a really good smoothie bowl. Next, we are gonna be making our green superfoods smoothie bowl. So of course you're gonna need your blender. The first thing we need is our riced cauliflower. Again, we're gonna be using 1 cup of the riced cauliflower in there. We're gonna be using an avocado. So I just have a ripe avocado here. As you can see, I kind of squished it a little bit. So you just want it just barely kind of squishy. You don't want an avocado that's really hard or really squishy. It just has to have like a little bit of bounce to it. So you just want to cut it in half, and then when you open it, you just want to have like that nice green color. If it's brown, you know it's too ripe, or if it's really yellow, you know it's not ripe enough. So we're going to be using 1/4 of an avocado. We're gonna be using some frozen strawberries. Now these are sliced frozen strawberries. I've used whole strawberries before, but it's just a lot harder to blend up in the blender, so sliced strawberries always tend to work better. So we're gonna be using a cup of these sliced strawberries. Then we're gonna be using some fresh spinach. This is just some baby spinach. Just, you know, our green leafy vegetables. It's really good for us. Again, full of like vitamins and minerals. So we're just gonna like jam as much spinach as we can into our smoothie. Next, we're gonna be adding some protein. So again, we're gonna be using some LadyBoss Lean, the vanilla cake flavor. So just 1 scoop of that. Next, we're gonna be using some LadyBoss greens. Now, if you guys haven't tried this, you're totally missing out. The LadyBoss greens is really good. It's apple pie flavored, as you can see it there. It is really, really tasty and has a lot of really great things in it. So if you guys take a look at that, if you have any questions, again, like you can comment down below if you have any questions about that. But it's got an antioxidant super blend, there's green super blend, there's immunity super blend. It's really good. Next, we're gonna be using 1 cup of the unsweetened almond milk again. So we wanna put the lid on, shut it, and then blend. Now our toppings for our green smoothie is strawberries, some blueberries, and some toasted coconut chips. Those coconut chips are so good. So just want to decorate it however you want. Add some strawberries, add some blueberries, and then some coconut. That toasted coconut is so good on smoothie bowls. So this green smoothie bowl is 294 calories, and now again, that is without the toppings. It has 25 grams of protein, it has 34 grams of carbs, but it also has 13 grams of fiber, which is amazing, and 9 grams of fat. There you have it. There is your green smoothie bowl. Last but not least, and we are gonna make the peach strawberry smoothie bowl. So again, we are gonna be adding 1 cup of the frozen riced cauliflower in there. Next, we're gonna be adding a half of a frozen banana. Then we need 1 cup of sliced peaches. Now again, these are frozen, so we're gonna be adding 1 cup of those. This makes the smoothie taste so good. Then we're gonna add 1 cup of sliced strawberries as well. Next, we're gonna add in about a half a cup of raspberries. Now I couldn't find any frozen raspberries, they were all out, so I just used fresh ones for this recipe. Then we need 1 scoop of vanilla cake flavored LadyBoss Lean, the protein powder. Of course, add some great healthy protein in there. Next, we need to add our unsweetened vanilla almond milk, and in this recipe, I'm only gonna use about 3/4 of a cup of unsweetened almond milk. Then you wanna put the lid on and blend. Now the toppings for this recipe, I'm gonna be adding some bananas, I'm gonna be adding some strawberries, and again, some coconut. So you can definitely add whatever toppings you want to your smoothie bowl. So this recipe is 263 calories without the toppings. It has 22 grams of protein, 39 grams of carbs, 10 grams of fiber, and 4 grams of fat. And voila, look at that beautiful smoothie bowl. Doesn't it look delicious? So I hope you guys enjoyed those recipes. They were so good, they were so delicious, and super, super yummy. So if you guys have any questions at all, let me know in the comments section down below, and I will totally respond to you. So I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will talk to you later. Love you, bye.